kind of a more nerdy day for me. Oh, this is my panda hat. I love it. It smells good. Panda paw. Rawr. That was my nickname at camp. Panda paw. Yeah. Yep. In the bathroom. Once again. See? I'm looking at myself. Going down, 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 down. You can see it, can see it, can see it. Dang it. I'm being stupid. Like a dumb blonde should. So soft. Fluffy. Alright, we're gonna go back to my original video, so bye. I'm gonna take off my panda hat. And let's see how it looks. Better? I think it looks way better. Got little, wait, is it right? Right there, stars! Stars, 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 stars. Star. Star power. I think I look better without the glasses.